Hey guys, it's Scottie. Gosh, it's been forever since I've posted a video. And yeah, life has been happening. Anyway, this year I did a craft fair. First time since the pandemic started, we had one. And it was so much fun. A lot of people were out. I made a ton of books. And one of them that I included had been my Nana Scottie's Keepsake gift card, which is basically a little mini album. So I had a couple of special orders, so I thought, oh, well, let me go do a flip through. So this is made with a paper bag. It is a Trader Joe's bag. I'm not sure if the video I learned how to do this is still on YouTube, but if it is, I'll post a link. And if it isn't and you want to see how it's done, leave a comment and I can probably try and do a short tutorial sometime between now and New Year's. Okay, so I don't want this to be so long. So basically it's made with the paper bag. These are the handles, and I've covered the handles with the vinyl. It was a vinyl tablecloth. And so it's got the requisite, holiday scrapbooking paper, some tags. This one can be the to and from, because it's actually a coin envelope. And this is a little designed as a gift tag, but then you can write something. So there's a pocket in the front here. Let's see if I can get this out. And in this, I've simply put, looks like a tag, but a place to write some notes. 'Cause here's how I use this journal when I created it. I designed it to send a gift card or money to someone I know. And so what I did was, on the first page, let me see if I can get straight again. Yeah, I think that's straight. I put a note about my favorite traditions, holiday traditions, favorite holiday carols. And I put that in. And then there's a spot where you can use this as a mat and post a photo. These are those little tag list pads. And then underneath this one says naughty or nice. But if you look carefully, you can see the reflection, because basically it's a mirror. So is this person naughty or nice? And then it's only 2 pages. Okay, it's very small. So then when you open it up, and it's put together with a ribbon. This is a wreath that I die cut and a bow, and I put the prompt for the person who ordered this, that this is where she can put her photo. And it could be a photo of her and the person she's gifting it to or whatever. So then the person who gets it, when they get to this page, it does say no peeking, but once it's Christmas Day and they pull the tree out, then they will have access to the holiday card or money. Okay, so then the next part of this really belongs to the recipient in the way I did it. And this was, if they got a gift card, take a photo of themselves with whatever they bought with your money, and they can put this in as a memory, and they can also send you a copy of the photo. They have a place where they can also write, just, jot down some notes about this particular holiday season. And the pièce de résistance, though, is in the back pocket, I've included a thank you note, okay? And so to the giver, all they have to do is address this, okay? And you can even put a stamp on it. So the person who gets it will get the hint to send you a little note and say thank you for your gift. And then on the back, it just has room to put, other ephemera and stuff, and also to be able to write notes on. Okay, so that's Nana Scottie's Keepsake gift card, because once you're through with this, you're not really through with it. Whoops, can you see? I actually can hang these on. I have an artificial tree. But you can hang the handles on the tree, or if you want, you could keep a it in wherever you keep your memorabilia. And then every holiday season, you could put this out with whatever or whatever. It's really just cute and like a basic little mini album. So there you go. Leave some comments. Let me know. And it is good to be back. I hope everyone is well. The last couple of years have been harsh. But anyway, again, this is Scottie. Thanks a lot. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye.